everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rubia Naseem and I'm super excited to have you here. I'm a RevOps consultant based in London, and on this channel you will find a mix of tutorials, success stories and tips on how to streamline your marketing, sales and customer service processes with automation and data-driven insights. So since 2015, I have helped over 100 plus businesses save time and reduce cost by optimizing the workflows and leveraging automation. So my clients have seen incredible results, from saving hundreds of hours to significantly boosting their sales conversion rates. So I basically believe in the power of automation to transform businesses and make operations more efficient. So whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, there's something here for you in my channel. So if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from my channel. Join me on this journey to boost your business operations with RevOps and automation. Let's grow and succeed together. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.